Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 10th class English. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In this session, we are going to continue the poem Another Woman. In the last video, we have completed the author's introduction and the poem we have completed the one paragraph. What happened? I told you in the last video also. Once again, I am repeating you. Listen carefully. Another Woman is a story of a woman who is in mother-in-law's house. One day what happened? A woman went to the market to bought some vegetables. She bought the green methi from the market and chose the freshest bunch of white radish. She took the white radish and she imagined the sweet sharp taste of the radish, and she thought that this is an extravagance. Means I told you in the last video also, means sweet sharp taste, extravagance means money spending in the uncontrolled way. Counted her coins out carefully, tied them a small bundle into her sari at the waist, I told you. And what after that, she came back to home and she faced her mother-in-law's dark looks, means angry looks. She took the leaves and chopped them. When she is chopping the leaves, her hands stained yellow from the juice, and after that she cut an onion and fine and cooked the whole thing in the pot over the stove, shielding her face from the heat. Up to this I told you. Now I will continue the poem. Listen carefully. The usual words came and beat their wings against her. The money spent, curses heaped upon her parents, who had sent her out to darken other people's doors. What they are saying, her mother-in-laws, the usual words came and beat. What they are saying, their wings against her. The money spent, curses heap upon her parents. When she got married, her parents has given so many things to her in-laws as well as to her. But what the in-laws are saying, who had sent her out to darken other people's door. She is not a good woman. They are telling. She crouched as usual on the floor beside the stove. What she did? She stood beside the stove. When the man came home means her husband came home, she did not look into his face nor raise her head. When her husband came to the house, she not looked to his face nor raise her head. She is on cooking only, but bent her back a little more. She, in spite of seeing him, she bent her back little more. Nothing gave her the right to speak. She has no right to speak either to his in-laws nor for husband. Okay, she has to do only housework and she has to listen only words which are against her parents. Okay, this is not fair na. Every woman has the right to live happily in their in-laws and as well as in their mother's house. This is not the way to treat with her son's wife. Okay, this is not fair. She watched the flame hiss up. The flames are hissing up and beat against the cheap old pot, a wing of brightness against its blackened cheek. When the flame is hissing up, she is not seeing that. When the flame has hiss up, the wings of brightness against the blackened cheek. She has the cheek of the woman has blackened. This was the house she has been sent to. After marriage, she has went to that house. The man she had been born to, the future she had been born into. For to go into this house, she has born and she got married. She is thinking in herself only. So, when the kerosene was thrown, just a moment of surprise, a brilliant spark, it was the only choice that she had ever known. When she is thinking about her parents, her life, what happened? When the kerosene was thrown up, but she had not looked at. After the flames are hissing up, she also not saw that, and the kerosene was thrown. Then the flame is all the kitchen. Then what happened? the woman has burned in the flames. Another torch blazing in the dark, another woman, we shield our faces from the heat. Then what she is telling here, Imtiaz Darkar, the author, is telling that this is not fair for every woman. This should not do in every in-laws house. Every woman has the right to live freely and they have to give freedom to live in their lives. This is not the woman's life. Okay. So from now onwards we have also to do that. No woman can bear the and listen the words which have saying in the in-laws house. We have to stop there only. Okay. So this is the poem Another Woman, written by Imtiaz Dharkar, to send a message to the youngsters that no one should listen the words in laws house. Okay. They have the freedom to live their life. Okay. By this poem we have understood this. Okay. I hope you all understood this poem. Everyone, if anyone have doubt, they can contact me and clarify the doubt. Okay. This is the poem written by Imtiaz Dharkar. Now there is assignment C here. Assignment is, first question, the woman thought of buying a white radish but later on decided against it, thinking it an extravagance. Now only I told you na, she was buy the white radish and later she decided against it, thinking of it an extravagance. Do you think it is an extravagance? Support your answer. If you think that it is an extravagance, you have to write the answer. Okay. And second question is, what does the phrase mother-in-law dark looks suggest? You have to suggest what is the meaning of mother-in-law's dark looks. Okay. These two questions as assignment you have to write and send it to me. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.